Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 4 and with Apple Watch, and today I will show you how you can link this to device. At the first we have to open case of our FreeBuds 4, take a look on this right side in this place, on this button, and we have to click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator on the front starts blinking. So right now we can release that button and put back the case, but keep it open. And next you have to grab your Apple Watch. So right now we have to unlock with your code, go for the apps, open settings, open Bluetooth from the list, and take a look on the available devices list. We get here the FreeBuds 4, so we have to tap on them once. As you can see, after a few moments we are successfully connected, and when you are here on the screen you can check even the battery level of them. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.